Hello, tech enthusiasts! Get ready to witness a new era of foldable technology. Samsung's Galaxy G Fold, their very first tri-fold smartphone, is coming. And it's far more than just a bigger screen. New leaks and official videos have revealed 7 key updates that make this device a true game changer. Let's get into it. The massive, tablet-sized display first and foremost. The G Fold is rumored to feature a massive 10.1-inch display. This means you'll be able to unfold a standard-sized phone into a full-blown tablet. The biggest win here is the aspect ratio, which is optimized for tablet use. Say goodbye to distracting black bars when watching videos. This is a viewing experience built for immersion. A new era of multitasking. Split Trio. On current Z Fold devices, multitasking is a challenge, as apps get crammed into tiny, unusable sections. The G Fold changes everything. Leaks from Samsung's own One UI builds confirm a new feature called Split Trio, which allows you to run 3 apps side by side, either vertically or horizontally. On a 10.1-inch screen, each app gets enough room to be fully functional, making this the most practical multitasking setup we've seen on a foldable yet. What's more, Samsung will also let you mirror up to 3 home screen pages from the cover display onto the main screen, giving you even more flexibility and control over your layout. Flagship features and pricing. Good news! Official videos confirm that basic flagship features like wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and NFC are all included. Just remember, you'll need to close the phone to charge it wirelessly. As for availability and price, early reports suggested a limited launch in South Korea and China, but now there's a possibility the US will be an option. However, don't expect a cheap price tag. As a first-generation device with limited production, the price is expected to be around $3,000, though it could drop to around $2,500 over time. Pen and hardware details. Unfortunately, it's highly unlikely the G Fold will support the S Pen. Adding a digitizer layer to a tri-fold screen would make the phone significantly thicker. And considering even the Z Fold 7 lacks S Pen support, it's a feature we probably won't see on this device. Hardware-wise, the G Fold is rumored to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, not the newer Gen 5. The camera setup is expected to be the same as the Z Fold 7. As for weight, leaks suggest it's around 296 grams, which is quite reasonable for a tri-fold design. New launch date. The launch date has been pushed back from September 28th to October or November. A reliable Korean source, ET News, confirms the G Fold will get its own separate event and will not be launched alongside Samsung's Project Muhan headset in October. So there you have it, the latest on Samsung's tri-fold marvel. What are your thoughts on this new form factor and its potential? Let me know in the comments.